Right nữa, giờ bọc rừ lắm rồi.
Let's go, Mama. Swinging.
Quen khi rồi.
Clouds in shape of stone. I like dinosaur. I have it. Collect things. Read the sun. Why the cat wants in the starlight. Clouds. I can see a castle. I can see a bear. I can see an ice cream cone. I can see a chair. I can see an old man. I can see a plane. I can see a black cloud. I can see rain, rain, rain. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the trees. Rain on the umbrella. Rain on me. Shapes of stone. This is an instructor. This instructor is made of stone. This instructor is on a hill. It is very, very big. We can make an instructor. We can draw an instructor. We use a computer. Here is build instructor. Our shapes of stone. I like dinosaur. I like dinosaur. This is a big dinosaur. Our dinosaurs are small. This dinosaur eats plants. Our dinosaur eats meat. These dinosaurs find our dinosaur weak. There are kids of dinosaur. I have it. I have crayons. Who has paint? I have paint. Who has scissors? I have scissors. Who has glue? I have glue. Who has markers? I have markers. Who has dinosaur? Look at our paint. Look at our picture. We make it together. Collect things. I collect pencils. I keep them in a box. I collect animals' pictures. I put them on my wall. I collect rocks. I keep them under my bed. I collect stamps. I put them in a book. I collect things too. I collect friends. Read this sign. The community. Why? Eat your beans, said Mom. Why? asked Little Mouse. No more TV, said Dad. Why? asked Little Mouse. Brush your teeth, said Mom. Why? asked Little Mouse. Go to sleep, said Dad. Why? asked Little Mouse. Want a hug? asked Dad. Why not? asked Little Mouse. The cat wants in. The cat wants in. Come in, Tuffy. The cat wants food. You must be hungry. The cat wants out. Have fun, Tuffy. The cat wants in. I'm coming, Tuffy. The cat wants a pat. I love you, Tuffy. The cat wants out. Goodbye, Tuffy. The cat wants in. Not again, Tuffy. The cat wants to play. Look out! The cat wants to sleep. Shh, Tuffy is sleeping. Oh no! The dog wants out. Stars light. Stars light, stars bright. First star I see tonight. I wish I might have a wish I wish tonight.